How to reset your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to reset your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm after it beeps. It's essential to understand these steps to ensure your home's safety, as a beeping alarm may signal elevated levels of carbon monoxide. Remember, always handle your alarm with care and pay attention to its indications.
Why is your alarm beeping?
First, we need to understand why your carbon monoxide alarm is beeping. Usually, it's because of a low battery or because it detected a dangerous level of carbon monoxide in your home. If it's the latter, ensure you and your family leave the premises immediately and call your local fire department.
How to identify the beep?
Next, let's identify the type of beep. A low battery will usually result in a chirp every minute, while a carbon monoxide detection beep will be 4 quick beeps, followed by a pause. Being able to distinguish between these types of beeps is crucial.
How to reset your alarm?
Now, let's go through the resetting process. Ensure you're in a safe environment before attempting to reset your alarm. 1. Find the reset button on your alarm. It's typically located on the front or side of the unit. 2. Press and hold the reset button for about 15 to 20 seconds. 3. Release the button. The unit should beep once, signifying that it's been reset. Remember, if your alarm continues to beep after the reset, it might signal a problem. Either the battery needs replacing, or there might be an issue with the unit itself. In either case, consult the user manual or contact Kidde's customer service for further assistance. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding how to reset your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm. Remember, the safety of you and your family is paramount, so never ignore a beeping carbon monoxide alarm. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.